Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to build a new micro quadcopter using the Spintech Race-1 frame. In addition, I'm going to use the Spintech motors 1106 8000 kV motors, Gemfin Flash 2540 propellers, the Runcam Micro Swift camera, this is the first generation, and the Minicube F3 with an FR Sky receiver. As for VTX, I'm going to use this VTX which I found in one of my drawers. It's a simple 200 mW VTX transmitter. So let's start building this quadcopter. So the Spintech is ready and it looks really nice, especially with this transparent canopy. You can see that I didn't use the Gemfin propellers because they kept touching this part of the canopy, so I switched them with these Racer Star 2540 propellers. In addition, I'm not sure if it was the right decision to use the Ishin Minicube because the 4-in-1 ESC is only 10 amperes and the ampere draw of these motors can be much more than that, especially when used full throttle. So when I'm going to take it outdoors, I'm not going to push its limits because I don't want to risk burning the ESC. So in case you want to build a similar quadcopter, I recommend to use the XJB F428 all-in-one stack because then you can fully utilize the potential of these motors. Besides that, the build process was very simple and using an all-in-one stack is going to make your life very easy. The weight of this quadcopter is 88 grams. I'm going to fly it with these 450 mAh LiPo batteries from G&B. The weight including this battery is going to be 117.1 grams. With this battery, 118.5 grams. These are both 2S batteries, and with the 3S 450 mAh LiPo battery, the weight is 136.8 grams. In order to secure the batteries, I added this dual lock sticker on the bottom and also glued the other side to the battery because I don't trust this Velcro to hold the battery well enough. So this is going to make sure that the battery is well secured. As you can see, the Spintech Racer has a true X design with a unibody plate, and even though the problem with this type of frame that if you break one arm you're going to need to replace the entire bottom plate, this is probably one of the thickest frames that I've seen for this size of quadcopter, and the thickness of the bottom plate is 4 millimeters, so I think it's going to be very durable. By the way, this frame is available in two versions. The first one is the 121 millimeters, which is the one I've got, which is compatible with 2.5 inches propellers, such as these ones. And the other frame is a 145 millimeters frame, which is compatible with 3-inch propellers. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take it outdoors and see how it flies. I hope you will enjoy the rest of this video. If you have any questions about the build process or any parts that I use in this video, feel free to ask it in the comment section below. And I'll see you on my next videos. Goodbye.